Hey, Moses here, and this right here that you're looking at is the original Sony ZV-10, and I'm gonna try to keep this video somewhat short because I'm using this microphone and my iPhone 14 Pro and a really old camera, the main camera here, because this is my main camera. So I wanna, it's gonna die. So I just wanted to let those that are sleeping on the original Sony ZV-10, and I want to show you how powerful this microphone is as an A camera and as a B camera. So yes, I am filming myself here. It's gonna sound kind of weird because I'm using this microphone as my main audio. But for those of you that are starting into podcasting and you want to do a video podcast and you're considering a new camera, since the second version of this camera came out, the price for this has gone down. And I want to remind you that this is a very powerful camera for podcasting, and of course, if you're still in the olden days, I suppose, of vlogging, you can still vlog very well with this camera. Now, I do have a Sigma 16mm lens attached to this, and it makes it even more of a heavier hitter. I don't know if that's a word, if that's a way if that is a way of saying it. But the main point that I'm trying to get to is, if you have this body, the original Sony ZV-10, where the price has gone significantly down from the original price, which used to be like $750, I think, or $650, you can probably scoop one of these up for about $450, maybe $550 around this time, and it's a steal. It's a steal because with the right lens, this camera is still very powerful. And you can see the configuration that I have here this is the Sennheiser MKE 600 microphone, very powerful microphone. It goes straight into this camera, and it is currently powered by its own battery, and the autofocus on this camera is just insane. So if you're into the podcasting space and you are trying to find a camera that is a banger for a relatively low price, it's really hard to beat this Sony ZV-10, the original one, because the price has come down. Anyways, I just wanted to make this video super quick to remind some of you that have known about this camera, and for those of you that are relatively new to this space and you're considering entering the podcasting space, the video podcasting space, or just content creation in general, do not sleep. Do not sleep on this camera because it is a beautiful camera. It still punches well above its weight, and with the right lens, you can do some serious damage for the next 2-3 years to come. So if you're in the market for video podcasting, or even if you already have a setup, a suite of cameras, and you want an additional B camera, the original Sony ZV-10 is a good purchase. Okay, Moses here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.